Now, I will play this video first. Now you wrong your wife. Now you bring your wife down. You're supposed to go lay down and beg your wife. Not going to claim your right saying you be traditional man. What kind of traditional man? Traditional man, they say they go to flirt to outside. You dey follow the whole platform they go where you don't disgrace yourself as adultery man. If you dey sincere as you dey tell people for the whole world, the day that woman toast you, that day you cut her off. Talk like they give you lion. You even dey tell the woman say you love her. E no force you. Many women they come to me here. When many women come to me here, that day when they come in the next 3 days, I don't throw away them. If you believe sincere man for the society, don't come and fool yourself every blessed day. You know, should tell you truth. Lord talk to you that day, you sort her. More the other one talk to you, you sort her. Who you say you be? When they don't fit tell you truth. When you enter house, my friend, get inside. May keep your mouth shut. May not make noise again. If not small pikin, they worry, you may go worry this small pikin finish first house. I will again waiting and go. They disgrace yourself every day. You follow me like you will be from your friends. They're not telling you to fool yourself. When I saw, offend you what? A marriage now with telephone. Okay, now, you are not ashamed of yourself when you are talking public. Let me play audio. I'm gonna clock it what you have, man. When all those ones here, but you are where. The type of behavior the people behave, and you with a record. You are doing the same stupidness. Walk away to whom a big platform. Walk away to Sema. They want to say, only me tell when you know, and you know that you lucky we know that is a good woman. Oh, if you no, I am making noise. We are disgraced away. You tell us you are sincere man in the society. This is your wife. This is your wife. 1 month later, we see disgrace upon you. You are telling a married woman who love a married woman, I love you, I love you. If you not let that record, you know this way you tell the house is there. This one talk to you, say you work on Sagara. This one talk to you, say you work on Sagara. I call Sagara, I did for you. Oh, please, when I call her for me. They quarrel with us, say what you do bad. But if you do what you can't do this afternoon, say you want to bring a papa picture, your husband picture, bring a comment. Bring a comment this evening. I am imagine this because you are going 1 year and 23 days imprisonment. No man way. On my first way, it told you how many like you. Many women come to me a year, we like you. In the I live there alone. Everybody do their own. Why can't you behave like that? You say you have a good wife. You are disgracing your wife every blessed day. People they beg you. They beg the woman where they disgrace every day. People they beg her, you say they not beg her. Who you think you be? The other day, a single woman went for a day for Germany. Now so they or you keep here. Single woman that went for Germany. Now so the other day they take your they lock you wait for your care. And you come out for life to say this is here. Why be so those life to present all of them they sleep with married women? Why be like that, self? One country say you don't sleep with her. When do you make you talk? When do you make you tell married woman say you love her? Make one play the voice more and listen. More and share the video. That's what we like video that go with you. Guagua. Nyera sigide bu. If no mark your yaro. Oh, please, make una clock for me. Because I got papa, sagai mama. Because I got papa, sagai mama. Whether I force as he told you, he give you lion, not chop the lion. How many lion give you? You don't reject the lion. As you talk now, you same one life video. All the lion will give you, give her back. He not force you. He say like you tell us say you get woman for house. You not tell us say you get woman. You go to play love with her. So to you when you care done, you go put off inside your wife body blue. Who you say they talk to? When I play the audio first. Why plan? This is your character. No woman will put you for us. All of them don't know the type of person. Any woman when you want to go meet now, go they be careful of you. Go they kid a benway. You just how women not they look you. Say if you leave Mama Lord and I pursue come for us. Say you see one woman will go put you for us. You know, let you give you chance. You know say what you first do. Now you do to what you do to your woman. Now you go do to her. Wait for something go little back your wife, be take her house. May you arrange yourself. You see, they talk to you now, say that they beg Mama no right. You say, me they not beg her. Let her happen first. Now that time you know say life hard. Now that you start for square one again. Now that you start for square one again, you know say life hard. You all just, you know, we have kid and a boy, you all just woman with the say so. You don't know your woman, you suffer your time, so go to beg your woman. Say, me cool in mind. You say, me go so, you're going to bring letter for her. You say, your cat no know how to read. It's not too clear for outside now when one comes so. Now you go fight trouble, go for outside. When people they beg her, now when you say, okay, what go in here, you this is how go to beg her. You say me they not beg her. For the atrocity where the woman will put you for house. Woman where they fit, where they cook for you. It is like just civilized like this before me I get one. The time when I me just civilized like this before I get one for. But we for correct. You get better woman when you they progress every day, they misbehave for the society. You just say every woman you go jam, you they progress. Una go see go woman bless you better woman when una go they progress. Una go they take una hand to way the luck. Una not the shame. This will not be say single mother now. Woman when God take bless you and get a start, you they progress, you not get your sense. Woman will not they come up for us every blessed day. They say for us, don't say for party. God bless you with better woman. You they misbehave because they see they proud for her. You will claim your right. You be where you claim right. When you don't offend the woman. You try to you go try to Christian no guy say. How you be nyana we go try to Christian no guy say how you be nyana we on you kwa. How say where you just on. You know say Christian no guy say about when the money payment. Go try to Christian no guy say don't want so boo in social media also the bill. You see the woman for say house is more than wait this 2 weeks now. You see they took at that boo. You see they took at that boo. The one with first man will make me come at this afternoon. He say you want to saga or clock it. You want to saga papa saga. Try him. You adultery man. They follow a platform they go with disgrace the entire body from this platform to this platform, from this platform to this platform. I know ashamed of yourself. Come on, get inside, my friend. Go and rebrand yourself. And go and rebrand your home. You know, see person will tell you truth. I can't tell you truth. Any trade will not go school. You go can't tell you truth. The other one talk to you, go sack you go the customer. The other one talk to you, go the sack. The other one talk to you. Now the cause the one not you cause your problem by yourself. You see that you see everybody they cause me that I don't talk to anyone. If everybody come at you, which one you want to beat? If all of the pack come out today now, which one you want to beat for inside all of it? You see what's something happened to me that day? I stop theater as everybody is something I don't talk. Because I'm wrong. You don't know your wife. You don't know the word. You will say you just sincere, you pronounce to the word, say you just sincere. You are a nice person. You go to tell woman, wait, their husband say you love her. And you see the claim right for your wife who present. Woman will put you for house. You go to beg your friends, for you to beg your wife, you beg your friends. Who important? You with your wife, who is important past? Not your wife. You cry for lion. One fear lion, you go saga papa, saga mama because they don't give you lion again. You know the shame. They cry for lion every day. Now, person when they follow you, you go give person gift. Now, pour enter your position, jealousy, wicked hearts. You know, the claims are good. You know, if for one and sabi for you not small pikita, you know, never fit to ground. As now the claims are good, the disgrace going to follow now every day. They will say, now you see, if four people won't be for the society. If I talk to her, I go say that they jealous. Jealous waiting. When you offend your wife, you go to spoil your wife for woman waiting for outside. When not get passport to come Germany. Please wait the wash hands for it. Wait the wash hands. Waiting for husband house. You go to disgrace your wife to her. Your wife here now. You say me the woman complain. You ask him, please not play that record again. Please not play because I know if you plan, it disgrace go enter body well. You can't sit down for the live video say that they jealous and you will go up put filter for body. You go be like plantain with the roast. Okay, they don't move. They not jealous with boy. Okay, now turn your work. They not turn. I want a color the dagbe. Why plan me the listing? And the video will make me the verse well. Me, you ask me, my mother give you food the bottle, me drink for the bottle, me your sense correct. You know that me for the bottle there. Oh no, they absorb all absorb you. Not you offender. You don't ever see a woman waiting this life where not the verse. He goes swear for you. If he goes swear for you, now waiting no say he go pay you, now he go do you back. Not before go carry a woman. Not be you go carry a woman where pay her for body where they make her swear. You know say you not get document. You go take a swear and pay you where you see cry. First to do they pay. Second to do not be they pay. You do you like they cry follow platform. Oh yes sir. Oh yes sir. Oh yes sir. Well, that's a phone on a resolve and we go your way phone. And I go back to Sagana. This I follow you for that nonsense. I'll tell you the truth. Me show me at the house. Let the saga moon let her. Your platform is a big platform, but my own is small one. People go hear my voice. If we more get a key. Every day they come out, they say, yeah, I will cut Sagama. When I play the record for now, I can't Sagama breeze. I can't Sagama breeze. I can't Sagama clock it. If you don't beat the record, come out. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You know the shame of yourself. You can't Sagama if you don't beat the record, come out when you tell about your wife. Are you not ashamed? Where? As that woman call you the first day, as that woman call you, una dey spoil other people wey not get woman, una dey spoil their chance. They're going to take that out, they look everybody. You know how many women don't come to my life? If I talk to them for 3 days, I don't like them. I'll try anyway with that dog here one way. I come up, as that woman call your life, they take your woman, they pride every day. You tell her, say, you don't see my woman. Now you if you go to tell the woman say you love her, I love you. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Go watch your record in mind. A married man, you are come have your record there. You're not supposed to people go play record where that woman send call for you if you be better person. You see something like that woman, you want to disgrace. You know yourself for this life, any adultery man, they do the beat them. Any adultery man do the beat them. What you God give them? No, not dissatisfied one. No, go to chicken for you. No, they condemn all of them for society. The way they Charlie Brown go away, they come Europe. Now, what's the start for Europe again? You want to start your own? Not be this financial way you do something. Now you beat at your put. Not be you beat at your boss says that 419. Not this one make because social media, one of the saga, Japan, we go and say, your first of all is open. Not be the open so. You know, if you talk truth for husband, as woman go to plan, after that, you want to talk truth. No, your friend, the way we want to offload the two people. One play the record. Consaga on blues. This one we all talk this afternoon make me first. Consaga on blues. Consaga and Consaga on blues. Clock it, Consaga. Bring him mama bishop, bring him papa bishop, bring a comment. Bring a comment. No, wait, they tell me when they send video for me. Anytime we come to saga on blues with the mama, with the papa, with the husband, we're gonna bring a comment. Wanna bring the send up the video for me. Wanna cut for me. This month I go stop, you know, go stop now your 40 day. Now you have the day, no way, I'm going to la one, more la wa. Me shame it out. On one on look, Yari. Oh, we just go, call me, no, what. That will quick of your social media, that bubble with him and one. A lion of your return the lion back. As you they talk now, the lion where that woman give you before you start to saga tomorrow, return the whole lion back. Now you chop person patenyan, what we bomber. Not be as he can't toast you, you say you don't agree. You're still the one with this. So people they even they beg your wife for the video, they beg your wife when you will say, why they Nigerian, where me go ya the wa. When I must pay go wa, what get me go am in Nigeria. They Nigerian, you cannot free try this one. Where in Nigeria, where me flatty. My dear, go for Nigeria, fuck your city. Yeah, I will just see no you with fire. Get me a no. Gualu, who ya you do who wa.
I said, yes, now with the night they talk so say before now you offend her, now she dey offend you.
Shut up, madam, no offend her. Now you offend the wife. Mona, you talk truth. Mona, you talk truth. I tell offend the Richard. I tell offend her. Mona, I tell offend her. If Richard stay for your own house, you know, if he stay for your own house, that woman come toast him. He tell the wife, say this woman they toast me. They drive, he drive her. You go see the one where they say, now you say the woman they say, now he offender, now mama no ra offender. I tell offender. Not be husband and wife as they call it. It's where come for that. Not better because you know time another day again. If you behave where you woman swear come for her. I ask you a question. If money don't tire you, stop and pack your load because they say if man doesn't some more money, the character go to change for the house. I don't say your character don't change. Carry your load, pack your load when you come out to go where they go. You get better woman when you take book by beat you. You know happy. Oh, they don't book by your correct one or maybe you. Oh, book by you, no, you are making noise in you are live dinner. Oh, they put the woman by your a police area you wait for a warning. Go away, you know. See, he come out every day. He come out this afternoon say, if I'm on breeze, I'm on clock it, you know, complete the video waiting for your wife. If you not spoil your wife, that woman will talk on. If you not spoil your wife, that woman will talk on. Man will not fit dey close the mouth wey dey spoil the wife for another man, another woman. Make up plan. If you not plan, you want sagai papa, sagai mama. You pass the woman plan, the house go spoil more. If you prefer the way get sense, well, as that please do video that say you want drug your wife, come on. You tell us no, you not concern my wife, not put my wife. You will see the call the demand for the video every day. Come play the video, come play the video, come play the video. Come on, get inside, my friend. What more give my we not the sweat people will not get wife home. Not this one the rain. Baby husband. We recording it. For you to come play all those records, come out. You fuck up. Tomorrow now, woman waiting for us, where they look live video presenter or where they look me or go for live video. You go say, hey, Atiti again. You go say all of them are the same. We don't get woman, we got a blessing for us. You dey progress every day. Now, man, me offend. Now, man, me offend. Man, I me offend for Nigeria. I can't leave that, come back there. Because if you were offend your woman, where they give you pecus, they do every day. Where they cook for you, you say no, if you beg her. Who be you? I'm not telling what I'm here with you, here with you, remember. You know, she said, I'm my offend that day. I leave that, come back, man. You got the bring us and I'll you go the bring and say, let me see me us a no, you fake us, me they not tell for us and once I spend another come, no be just me they not tell for her. Maybe go carry the matter put for head. Maybe they tell you better pass. I make a Dana. I make Jesse Puna. Now you come and say they not donate for us, after she said does this donation, wait, don't you shot me now. You go carry a come. Say me come donate. Say me carry a leader for your platform. Me first beg me first. Now that's why you call the talk that day. Wait, I offend Tony Karabaka with the O2. No, this one I guess sense. No, this one I not guess sense. All those snake friends, we don't they be snake, don't say they'll be your friend. I don't need them for my life again. I make Camelo now. I was saying Camelo. Can they make noise for live video every day? Consagra more, please. Consagra. Can they cry like Chihuahua every day? Now, person say you do one way you do. You say wait till you get your master okay. Now, in here, master okay, I'm a Oji. Ojana Muena, adultery man, I'm when adultery man. And you know, your wife, when you get for us, if I pass the woman where you go carry, if I pass her, if don't go for picking for you, see if I pass that woman because of cheeky change, if we go and dirty money, now be that one. Your wife they receive, way more complete. They see money for live video. I'm not percent of butterfly or don't trust man when you don't trust man. We had a lot of adulterers who are you be the real adulterers. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, what we like to die, Egbene, or the Abba de Naton. Egbeya Tolua, one de Naton. I don't buy all your work de Naton. If the door of the light go be like that plantain. If you put the light, you don't see a red plantain, they talk to us. I want to play this one. I don't want to play that video where all those women they beg. All those women carry on the work here. They even they beg for them, they pray me you come out, they come to me, I do that one you do with mine. Come on, go and rebrand your home. Don't disgrace yourself, finish, go and claim your rights. Not you the priest of the old world say you get woman, they put your woman for lap. They put up for laugh. I was ashamed of you. When I see they tell woman say you love a married woman because of lying, you tell lie to deceive you. Upon the whole salary the one they receive from her house. Say make the woman not talk. You don't ever see woman for this life where your husband they carry woman, he will not the talk. You cannot say not call police for you make the driver come up for house. May not talk. When I go Nigeria, I carry woman as I reach house, my woman call police, he drive me come up for his house. She's a better woman. When you for somebody go beg her, you say they proud. Go try to a Christian longer say. Go try to a Christian longer say. Who be me or boy then if you're not, they done it for train stations is there. Western train station are really where one. When me, when I see better woman, when I get a plan life together, when I do chi. Here my shower shop in your video now. Here my shower shop in your press shower shop. Okay. This one I talk to like cause he say one cause Sakana. You dey fool yourself. You dey fool yourself. Make you get this side. Adultery man. Baby husband. You wait till they do all of this, is there will be adultery. You know this like this your own. You know this like this your own. To lead up beg your wife for his house, take body rubbish, but the same make her go so. What you want so for? You don't suffer the one where you go to tell woman say you love her. But son and where I come go we love her. Wa mi kweto ya wa mi afọ gweze. Now see believe we may finish any. You go try for Yoruba people or Igbo people. This not separate they do so. One plan. I don't need for those recording. You have recording now. I will consider full our corner. Come on this afternoon. You want to play that one? Say one saga more, please. You want to go cause it, papa? You want to bring your husband come out? Is that a threatening? Is that a threatening? Are you not ashamed? That one they laugh your marriage they spoil every day. That one they laugh you for that if you don't get stress. Clock it, they laugh you. You don't get anything to lose. What's the other with him and why? It's coming when you. Why you want to scatter your house with your hand? You see they get mad every day. You know who talk to you. Other pikin, your way of pikin go they call that woman that other man daddy, your eye go clear. You hear your pikin when you call your pikin, you go say daddy said at home. Daddy is at home. Now you wait they call daddy before not be you they call daddy again. Other person now they call daddy. Your eye go clear that time. Hello. 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 Who not get your contribution? Who not get contribution? May come down. Who not get contribution? Come down.
No.
Atiti tuoi.
Domani allora viene
Atiti o wemi la no we gba we mai kiyan.
Atiti. Però
Ivana ki le na O salobo afia gbo won.
Allora buon appetito per quando saremo. E noi andiamo a toglierci questo toccante. Ciao Carla.
Va bene, come go? O go ni ga make noise. Come go? O mi te go.
Salobo Osalobo afian gbo eh.
Where say Baba? Where say?
Wese baba eh. Domo sa.
Ora bungbegi ma. Ora bungbegi ma.
Okay. But you wa ku nyuwe.
Eh?
Even you wa ku nyuwe.
Imam no yaka, you may understand you tata say.
Oh, ibu wa ye Osalobo afian gbo even you wa ku nyuwe.
My brother, I don't need dictionary.
Okay, but ko echa nu we ku nyuwe. Avec un qui a eu onu.
Yala likia, you are soaking out though. We are a babu, when none many sene. A room when none many sene. And what I do time war, a solo. Didn't put in the record. Other making us that when we had to saga more, please. I will come a saga more, please. You had to make picture every yellow. Don't more like you. Omara, adultery woman will work here over here. You are adultery, the woman that adultery. Well, I'm like they will not go happy birthday, yo. Well, I'm like they will not go happy Easter, yo. Hello. Hello. Well, I'm like they will not go happy birthday, yo.
Good evening, sir.
Well, I'm like good evening, you are welcome. You are welcome.
I can't narigo yini mamio eri ekewe.
They
Okay, now the money when I go buy, now do you want to buy tickets or which one? My for know how much I will put.
anyone where you want put if you don't want put your rest, don't be so called me saying that you want
Wa
to buy
sun
only
who
want
the
to
go
buy
me
ticket
that
for
ya
me.
ogun ogbo e sun
When I let any am be sure where I shall go down. We no gain. That more when you so soon we bo. Meti we ma. Other for say we see go mother down. Ne we mu wa we. Ugwale ke no ge hian. Ugwale ke ri charge hian. E ke ri charge igbo wa gbon re disgrace ola wa gbe lani an. Hello.
Atiti. De so yo kwani ke no goga no kia nuo wa wa gbo a se ke no se no do di go ni yen. Nu do a che bo re wa
Yeah.
gbo nu su. Nu fia hu. Iwe nu fia hu Atiti nu su hu wa gbo. O se ke we je pe jo ga je. Wo ya o wa gbo. E pa yo we gun e to re jo no wa gbo. No su wa.
We say atawata my gbe kian ya.
Yaka no gie. It's come that stupidity.
Eke.
No, wag mo.
Yeah. Mm.
Later, pa.
We say okay, it dey pay. Oh, Zaga, like boy. I want to tell my wife solo. Okay, look, I'm so good. I love my family. I love my family. I love my wife. But bed is just like me. Or you saw that no matter what am I. Why you back? And me not sagami. Me not sagami. Who saga help? Yeah, they call the beggar. I'm a manu kere. I'm a makenu get kere. Agimia. They will start the saga. The things when I get for but then I go to me. I go plenty when I'll take beat you. When I wait your body, maybe I wait your body where. Then what to ta? Also, I put another. If I come and say they not donate for them. You must stand by your wife if you be man. You must stand by your wife if you be man. Why don't I donate 100? I donate almost 10,000 for them. Because they abuse me. I say me tell and say me leader or me beg me. You say now you go to talk when I talk to Tony Kabaka wife. Now you go to talk. I will traitor. I will Carmelo. They pretend to be nice. They are very wicked in their hearts. We run for this type of people.
You.
Or what with camera that go power they don't go. Are you not ashamed of yourself? When I walk away, I do as you what? But when we're offend. You know where pay you know the pains you cause your book on here. Where I'm when we are come I love you. You know the pains? Where a pains where you are not thinking for the woman, you are thinking of your own. I dare you. Come Sagamo, please. Come across Sagamo, please. Give us this opportunity and so I call the useless our women to say the same way the Charlie Brown felt useless then. Now I see start them again. You pride every day on live video. This is my woman. This is my woman. I love my woman so much. Look at your disgrace now. You are not crying your woman uses or he use a concord to swear for you. Where cannot they use a concord to swear for you? You get lucky say the woman if you return the curse. If not Christian return, Christian not say return eh. When you aim but you been your way up eh. Christian not say. You don't die. Now see better woman when they follow and you plan life. If they not tell you the truth now so now do another day again. If you not see person will tell you truth, they papa you now. Mama nu kegede, mama nu kegede, if you kegede, if the papa you now. Next time you do them again. The other one talk to you, you can't cause the other one. The other one talk to you, you can't cause her. Hey now, come out. May you come out now, we'll start and come out. When I can't tell you life history for 1 month, whether you know shame at the house. You know me now. This one a reality. Now this one will be say, I want to put Maggie. A Maggie run on, where run on? I did not motor run on. Here about here, no, no, keki. This person not tell me this one. No juju for this one. This bad character, I lose the dignity with society there. All these are dubious character, and I lose the dignity with society. Now people don't this type of people, young men in school, common sense they don't get. Okweloma said the organize home, wo ye go where what I took come and no abia no there wo we fuck up, you know, fuck up, you know. Tell this woman sorry and keep get aside for you to be pulling platform to platform to platform. Tell yourself, do something on yourself. Oh, when we go your own road, first when you put money for here, for house. First when you put money for here, for house. So when only have you what? You see woman will not they cheat on you. Woman will not they come up for house. From appointment to house, appointment to school. You know they follow party. Since when you married that woman, never say for party. I said you don't want to do marriage. You not take your God, say, God give you better woman. Ezigoya shebi, ezigoya goat. Erikwe miti rokpa. You not take your God. And they progress every day. You see, come on, that video not do azor. You know that azor my negbe. If you even call your family, not know yourself. If you even take food, call your family, not know yourself. Saying they find one room. You say, did they give presenter room? I will move one presenter. Not they spoil our way. Not this and that. We are in school. They are Mudagi Maria Degbe. It's a friend woman that will bring a concord disgrace. It's a friend woman that can't disgrace her. If you talk to a woman, he go say, Akpa Wayaki, record the Wayaki. Okay, you toast woman. Or the woman toast you, you grieve for her. Now they play love. The woman don't do it home. It come out. When you come make call, they play record. If not be stupidness, if not be waywardness, you think say why can't disgrace the woman? Now yourself you can't disgrace. More good at all on my breeze. When I play the record, we do this afternoon. We first me come out for his house. When I plan, when I see him. When I plan.
Tuesday. My brief husband father. My husband father Mola.
When I plan, when I see.
If I will sue you, I don't care.
Say you want bring on my blues husband, bring your mama, bring your papa, you want to call Sagade. Go bring the comments. Go bring the comment now. Go bring the card. Wait for the man. Go bring the comment. Only foolish man I will support you. Only foolish man we go see woman correct man we get wife for house. We go lie to talk truth. You know go join you for this one. This your stupidness. I know they fight for the girl now. Enter house, go and raise your home. Enter house, go and raise your room. I know they fight for the girl. No come this life to say you want to consagrate this girl, mama with the papa or your husband. If you come, you go too bloody for me and you. Oh, what ton? Eti bata. I'm about Atiti not go school, yeah we. I see girl for your body a lot. Where we go play. Where people never analyze, people never talk at all. When I call a plan. Before I plan for 1 month, you go to shame for inside your house. Say na Atiti you jam so. This one not be Maggie. Ajino Maggie no joiner. Ajino Maggie no joiner. Before you do all live video, go to shake. Before you all live video, you want to talk, go to shake. Ajino Maggie no join this one. I not push you guys join this one. They not tell me everything full. I don't see for them when I tell where people never see, when I want to come and alive. We will shame head out. I say me immediately get this head and keep your mouth shut. Oh, you know that we are zone here. I dare you to say that word. Oh, when we're offend. Oh, when we're more needy, I'm a word. Woman, wait, sit down for him for his house. Now you go carry quarter computer for his house. You say me the woman can't go so. You person where you put money for your head. Today for Nigeria, not be my man that put money for your head. You dream see woman, you want to choke your wife knife. Not one time, 2 times, second time. A boy that way, but not like him. I have a video in your dream. See, you want to have baby, you like me again. A boy that way, we are going to social media now. Not gonna share the video, make it go viral. We are guy, so no need to plug this record. I just save all of them. You know, say if you foolish for all those small picking, they'll say they get sense. I'll tell you, say, Baba God, the wisdom will bless me. Pass that your book home. So, now short video, make una share the video, make it go viral. Me man and woman, see I can't send message. Clock it. Bring your papa, bring your wife, bring your mama, come Sagade. I want me to call Sagade. Sooner, until they close all people way. When they close way, say because when they do useless presenters. If you reach this side, Benin may not good. If you reach this side, Benin may not good. If you reach this side, now some of them don't cause all those nonsense. Self-love want to talk that day because of this your matter now. He shut out the whole Benin man because of you. You see they come at every blessed they say, you know that why I so go and boy. Dog power not back. It's not made for you. Iyan avec vous do que unyu me dan no ya so wa weni. E go nu ya do le boss avio do e kon vio ya le ba ne. O ya unyu me ni ya gba e do. You with your wife the quarrel the other last year. You with your wife the quarrel. They ask me where you wait for Siashawo Road. If you don't want me to beg your wife every time, you go to look what you do. I give you. See that record. Everybody the blogger they go for today now. Wait for see your wife. One no can and you not ashamed of yourself with that record. This year now, another one. Next year, another one. If you know as woman be, you not get friend. Now social media be friend. No offender. Because if you offend and you come social media, you go to social media be friend. You can't touch social media. You don't get anything to do. Now you disgrace yourself. Not be the woman disgrace yourself. Now you disgrace yourself. Woman, when they tell you for yourself, come beg me with cool mind. Come beg me. When you woman will get sense. You are not going to ask like what we come know. Who have you got to? You see they claim. Who be you? Who they claim right out where? Hospital card woman. So make una share the video. Now small video now I can draw. I'll come back later.